Hiccups serve no known useful function. Some speculate that hiccups may represent a vestigial remnant of a primitive reflex whose function or behavioral significance is now lost, as one researcher put it.
Idea though, like the peanut butter sandwiches. They're, like super cheap and easy to make, and then we charge like
we charge like $4 for them.
Yeah, like 200% the price.
Yeah, they're good. I don't like goat cheese, but goat cheese, honey, and pecan sandwiches. Hell yeah. Hell yeah.
Hell yeah.